Conformity is often instilled from the earliest stages of our lives, shaping our behaviors and thought patterns long before we're aware of it. Think back to your school days. Remember raising your hand to use the bathroom? Walking in single-file lines? Being rewarded for sitting quietly and following instructions? These seemingly innocent practices are actually the first steps in molding us into compliant workers for the corporate world. This system of education, designed to create conformity, isn't a recent invention. Its roots can be traced back to Prussian reforms in the 18th and 19th centuries. During this time, compulsory education was introduced with a clear agenda to align the population with the state's goals. The Prussian model created a two-tiered system. Children from elite backgrounds attended gymnasium schools, which offered a comprehensive classical curriculum. These schools prepared students for university education and leadership roles. On the other hand, children from lower-income families were sent to Volksschule, where they received basic education focused on literacy and vocational skills. Interestingly, the U.S. public education system is largely based on the Volksschule model. Its primary function: to prepare individuals for the workforce. Look closely, and you'll see how our schools mirror many aspects of the corporate world. Desks ranged in neat rows, movements dictated by bells, the need for permission to perform basic bodily functions. All of these elements condition us for life in the cubicle farm. Even the way we're taught core subjects reinforces this conformity. Take math, for example. In most schools, math is taught as an abstraction rather than a concept. Students are drilled in rote memorization of formulas and procedures, without truly understanding the underlying principles. This approach doesn't foster critical thinking or creativity. Instead, it trains us to follow predetermined steps without questioning, a skill highly valued in many corporate environments. The same pattern repeats in other subjects. Writing becomes an exercise in following rigid structures rather than expressing ideas. Art classes often prioritize coloring within the lines over free expression. Tasks are automated. Creativity is constrained by rules, and original thinking is subtly discouraged. This system, while efficient at producing workers, comes at a cost. It stifles individuality, creativity, and the ability to think outside the box. As we become aware of these deeply ingrained patterns of conformity, we face a choice. Do we continue to operate within this system, or do we challenge it? The answer to this question could shape not just our individual futures, but the future of our society as a whole.